Hey there, landlords and property owners. With spring just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about how to prepare your property for those inevitable spring storms. Today, we're going to share some essential maintenance tips to help you protect your investment and keep your tenants safe during storm season. First things first, let's talk about your roof. Inspect it thoroughly for any signs of damage, such as missing or damaged shingles, cracks, or leaks. Repairing these issues now can prevent water from seeping into your property during heavy rains, potentially causing costly damage down the line. Next up, gutters and downspouts. Make sure they're clear of debris like leaves and twigs so that rainwater can flow freely away from your property. Clogged gutters can lead to water pooling around your foundation, which can cause structural issues over time. So grab a ladder and get those gutters cleaned out. Now let's move on to your landscaping. Trim any overhanging branches that could potentially damage your property or pose a safety hazard during high winds. You should also secure any loose outdoor furniture or equipment to prevent them from being blown around and causing damage. It's also a good idea to inspect your windows and doors for any gaps or cracks that could let water in. Sealing these gaps with weather stripping or caulking can help keep your property watertight and energy efficient. Lastly, consider investing in a sump pump if your property is prone to flooding. A sump pump can help remove excess water from your basement or crawl space, reducing the risk of water damage and mold growth. By taking these proactive measures, you can help safeguard your property and minimize the risk of damage during spring storms. And remember, prevention is key when it comes to protecting your investment. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed or don't have the time to tackle these maintenance tasks yourself, don't worry. Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. Our experienced team can handle all aspects of property maintenance, from routine inspections to emergency repairs, so you can rest easy knowing your property is in good hands. And if you're in the market to sell your property quickly and hassle-free, we buy houses in any condition. Whether you're dealing with storm damage, facing foreclosure, or simply ready to move on, we can offer you a fair cash offer and close on your timeline. So whether you need help preparing your property for spring storms or you're looking to sell, Alpine Property Management Kansas City has you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on property management. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.